Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Ayen Lbm 3223 line boring machine. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and tested. This is an Ayen Lbm 3223 line boring machine. It's basically 23 spindles on 32 millimeter centers. This machine is absolutely amazing. If you've never seen one, just watch this video and you'll see why. First of all, it's a single row. One of the biggest issues with single rows is that you have to flip your panels. As you can see, this here you do have 4 stops, and you do have a pin set here operated by this handle. You simply move the head forward and back. You also have 4 flip stops, 2 to the right, 2 to the left, on a 118-inch back fence. You also again have those 4 head stops. You do have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 spring-loaded retractable hold-down paws. These simply can be pushed up and locked out of the way. They're going to give you a smoother bore and give you less tear out. You do have dual pin sets. So again, to either side, if you're doing a long panel, you do have dual pin sets. You also do have roller outriggers to support those longer panels. On top of that, the main motor is 3 horsepower. It's currently wired 230 volt 3-phase. You do have a precision depth gauge up top, so it's really easy to adjust that depth. You also have a small narrow workpiece holder that comes out of the table right here if you're doing narrow work. I'll demonstrate that in a second. On top of that, the machine even has a built-in air wand. So very, very well thought out machine. To operate this machine, you simply hit the foot pedal. The left-hand side is going to do everything. The right-hand side is emergency, which is just going to bring the head back up. So you just hit that left-hand side. And as you can see, those spring-loaded pull-down paws really slow up the bore quite a bit. We're going to take and push this head all the way back. And what we want you to do is look right here. First of all, this is not going to engage if you have a workpiece over it. But right here, watch this little hold down paw. So if you've got a really narrow workpiece, watch what's going to happen when we hit the foot pedal. As you can see, what it's going to do is it's going to engage right before boring, and that's going to hold in case you have really thin workpieces. Again, if you have a full-size workpiece, it's not even going to come into play. This is a really nice example of an LBM. Really, really clean. Very complete. It's not leaking any air. Ayens are really built to last. I mean, these are lifetime machines. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.